Hello, hi friends. I'm Naresh. I'm teaching mathematics to you. So I'm doing math videos for board exams purpose or competitive exams also. So I have done one video on quadratic equations about the concept, and this is part 2. It is very useful to higher standard students who are going to write the board exams. So watch the video till the end. You can get good information. Let's begin the class. So quadratic equations concept already we have discussed, and now some important problems I have chosen from the concept. So first problem, k into kx into x minus 2 root 5 plus 10 equals to 0. So equation he has given. So he has told that roots are equal. So you know that nature of the roots. What is the nature of the roots? If delta greater than 0 means discriminant greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. And if discriminant equals to 0, roots are real and equal. And delta less than 0 means discriminant less than 0, roots are non-real and complex roots. So roots are equal means here discriminant equals to 0. So first we have to convert into quadratic equation form. So it is binomial, like it is monomial, we have to use distributive property, kx into x, kx square, kx into x, okay, kx into again 2 root 5 and minus 2 root 5 and kx and plus 10 as it is written. Now we can compare with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. What is a? A is equals k and b is equals minus 2 root 5 and k also, and c is equals 10. So roots are equal means we know that delta equals to 0 or d equals to 0 means b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So what is the b value? Minus 2 root 5 k whole square minus 4ac, 4a is k into c means 10 equals to 0. I have written in the form of b square minus 4ac equals to 0. So 2 root 5 square is there, 2 root 5 into 2 root 5. Root 5 into root 5, 5, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So we will get 20 k square. Here minus is there, minus into minus plus only. So 4 tens are 40, minus 40 k is equals to 0. In these two, what is the common? 20 is the factor of these both and k also. So 20k we can take outside, then common we will get k only, k into k square. Minus 22s are 40 and 40k, this is equal to 0. Now we can write separately, 20k is equals to 0 and k minus 2 equals to 0. K is equals, product form is there, it will go to division, 0 by 20. 0 by 20 means you know that 0. And k minus 2 equals to 0, k is equals 2. So k is equals 2. Like that you can get different types of problems on the discriminant, roots are equal, nature of the roots. So same process we have to use always, b square minus 4ac equals to 0. And in the factorization, the quadratic equation having irrational numbers, so then how can you factorize? You can see the problem, one of the important problems, this one. So I am doing by factorization method. So same process, compare with ax square plus bx plus c. What is the x square coefficient? Root 2, that is a. And what is the x coefficient? 7. And c is equals 5 root 2. Okay, same process. So we know that factorization process, first a into c, 5 root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2, 2, and 5 into 2, it will be 10. So you are getting a into c value 10 and b value is 7. So now we have to choose the pair, their product should be 10, their sum should be 7. So 1 10, how in product, how which pairs are possible? 1 into 10, 10 into 1, and 2 into 5. Okay, so 5 into 2, and no other pair. So here 10, how can you get 10? 1 tens are, and but there's some we have to get 7, because here it is positive. These two should be have same sign. So same sign means either positive or negative. So 1 plus 10, you are getting 11. So this is not suitable pair. Which is a suitable pair? 2 and 5. So 2 5, and 2 plus 5 7. So 2 5. Why we are taking this pair means to split the middle term of the quadratic equation. What is the middle term? 7x. 7x we are going to write as 2x and 5x. So here we got the pair, that is 2x root 2x square plus 7x. We can write 2x and 5x plus 5x. Remaining c term I have written as it is. So in these two common, so root 2 is factor of 2 also. So because root 2 into root 2, so I am taking common root 2x, then you will get here x only, plus, and root 2 into root 2 only 2. So x plus root 2. What you are getting, same you have to get here, x plus root 2. So is equal to 0. In these two terms, what we have to take outside to get this means, so x is there, here you need to get 5x, x into 5 only 5x, so plus 5. It will be automatically, you can get 5 into root 2, 5 root 2. So in these two terms, what is the common? X plus root 2 is the common, we can take outside, x plus root 2. Okay, so then what is the remaining? Root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. And we can write separately, x plus root 2 is equals to 0 and root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Root 2 transpose right hand side, it will be minus root 2, and root 2x is equals 5 transpose, it will be minus 5, and x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. So these two are the roots or solutions of quadratic equation root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2. And you can understand one more important point here. Here compared to ax square bx plus c, a, b, c values, these a, b, c all are positive. Okay, this is positive, b also positive, c also positive. If a, b, c are positive, you remember one point, then roots both will be negative. You can observe here minus root 2 minus 5 by root 2. Okay, so here a, b, c having same sign, then roots should be negative. This is one of the important point. And one more point I am going to say, that a, b, c are, so from this problem I told one point, a, b, c having same sign, then both roots are negative. Then when you will get both roots are positive means, if AC having same sign and different from B, AC having same sign different from B, I am choosing one problem from this. So here, and one important problem is there, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. This is also very important problem. It is having irrational numbers, root 2 root 6. So now here also compare with a is equals 3, b is equals minus 2 root 6 and c is equals 2. You can understand here a, c having same sign, both are positive, but b is different. Okay, so now we can check the roots also. So same process, but here this is 2 root 6 means first a into c, 3 2s are 6, and here b value is 2 root 6 minus, how can you get the pair means, so irrational is there, root 6 into root 6 you are getting 6, but it is negative means you have to take minus root 6 plus minus root 6, this will be minus 2 root 6. So this is a suitable pair, minus root 6 minus root 6. Okay, so now I am splitting the middle term as 3x square minus root 6x and minus root 6x plus 2 equals to 0. And these two, which is the common means, here 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3 and 6 we can write as root 2 into root 3. What is the common in this? Root 3 is the common, and x also. So we can take outside root 3x. Then how can you get 3? So root 3 into root 3 only 3, and x square is there, this it will be x, and plus here root 6 is there, 3 2s are only 6, then we can take root 2, already x is there. So same thing you are going to get here, sorry, this is minus, and root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0. How can you get this? This is root 6, so here root 2 we have to take, but here minus is there, you can get minus root 2. Okay, and now here root 3x minus root 2 is common, you are getting here what is the remaining, root 3x minus root 2 is equals to 0, and we can write separately, both are same you are getting, so only one we are taking, is equal to 0, and root 3x is equals to root 2, x is equals to root 2 by root 3, and one more root also, root 2 by root 3 only, because its discriminant will be delta equals to 0, because roots are equal, both roots are equal. And you can understand one thing, this is positive, both roots are positive roots. When you will get positive root means, you can remember one thing, if a and c having same sign, different from b, so here a, c both are positive, b is negative, so then you will get compulsory roots are positive. And sometimes you may get ac negative, b is positive, then you will get same positive roots. So this is one of the important point. And you have to know one thing, if delta equals to 0, then roots, we can say that if delta equals to 0, then roots are minus b by 2a, both are equal roots, minus b by 2a and minus b by 2a. So you can check here also, I am here equal roots only, this is delta equals to 0 we are getting. So are you getting minus, directly without factorization process we can take minus b by 2a minus b, what is the b? Minus of 2 root 6. If you get two signs like this, you have to take bracket, minus b 2a, 2a, a means 3. So this is equals minus of minus plus 2 root 6 by 6. Okay, so now this one 2 root 2 ones are 2 3s are. So now you are getting root 6 by 3. So root 6 we can write as root 2 into root 3, and 3 we can write as root 3 into root 3. Both will be cancelled, and root 2 by root 3 is the remaining. You can see the root. So you can remember one point, important point, what is that? If delta equals to 0, discriminant equals to 0, roots are equal, then what are the roots means? Minus b by 2a, minus b by 2a, both roots are minus b by 2a. Without factorization you can do this. So it is useful in objective bits also for competitive exams purpose. So remember one thing. And already I told, once again I am revising, ABC having same sign, then roots will be negative, and AC having same sign different from B, then you will get positive roots. Okay, if delta equals to 0, then roots are equal. So this is today class. I hope you understood very well. I have given good information, I am thinking. So if you feel that it is having good information, please like my video and share to your friends, and subscribe my channel to get notifications. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.